Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily use Google Drive on your computer or laptop. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So you can follow the exact same steps if you're on a Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. So guys, first of all you'll have to open up Google Chrome browser, and after that you'll be able to find these dots on the top right corner, and you'll have to click on them. Now you'll have to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option of Drive. You'll have to click on it and it will take you to this page, and on the top you'll be able to find an option of Home, and right below Home you'll be able to find an option called My Drive. Now, if you'll click on My Drive, you'll be able to find all the files that you have uploaded on your drive, and then in order to upload a file on Google Drive, you'll have to click on New, and then click on File Upload. Select any random file like this, and it will take some time to load right here. And now you can see the file is uploaded, and for example if you want to rename this file, you can simply click on three dots ahead of the file, click on rename, like I'll name it as my, and click on OK. Now you can see the file is being renamed. And for example you want to copy upload a folder, you can simply tap on upload folder, and you can simply select any of these folders, and you can simply upload them. And for example you want to share a file, you can simply tap on three dots next to the file that you want to share, then click on share, and now you can share it or you can copy link, uh, and whenever you'll send this link to anyone, it will be able to open your file. You can also manage the access by tapping on restricted and then click on anyone with the link, or you can simply tap on restricted and then you can add people with their Gmail. So that's how you can easily use Google Drive on your PC or laptop. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.